Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Xbox Game Pass sharing not working on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, you can actually do this in the application itself, or you can do this online through your Microsoft account. So basically, the easiest method is to cancel or turn off your recurring billing. And now first, here, if you have the application, you can go and click on your profile icon right over here. Then go to settings, or what you mean is go to my subscriptions. And if you have your Game Pass, it should show up in here and you should be able to click on cancel. It will open up your Microsoft account through your browser. Then automatically it should show up your subscriptions page. However, if not, you can click over here, subscriptions, and it should show something like this at the top portion. You will already see your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and manage the subscription yourself. So you can see turn off recurring billing, just click on that. Or if you want to cancel the entire subscription, you can scroll down and you will see a blue button saying cancel your subscription. So once you click on this turn off recurring billing, you will be prompted to a page to confirm the cancellation and you're done. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Just turning off the recurring billing. And if that doesn't work, cancel the subscription and then just enter your details again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.